Mastering clauses in OET letters.
Welcome to today's session, where we'll explore a vital aspect of writing in the OET exam, using clauses effectively. Whether you're drafting a referral, discharge, or transfer letter, mastering clauses can enhance clarity and showcase your grammatical skills. Let's start by understanding what clauses are. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a predicate. They are classified into two main types, independent and dependent clauses. Now, how do these apply to your OET letter? Let's delve into each type with examples. Independent clause. An independent clause expresses a complete thought and can stand alone as a sentence. For instance, in an OET letter, you might write, "The patient requires regular monitoring." This simple and clear statement stands alone as a complete idea. Dependent clauses. A dependent clause, on the other hand, cannot stand alone. It requires an independent clause to form a complete sentence. For example, as the patient has a history of hypertension, regular blood pressure checks are necessary. Here, the dependent clause "as the patient has a history of hypertension" explains why regular monitoring is recommended. Combining clauses for structure. Combining independent and dependent clauses can elevate your writing by logically connecting ideas and avoiding repetition. Let's look at an example. Independent clause: the patient has been experiencing chest pain. Dependent clause, which is relieved by rest and worsened with exertion. Combine these into: the patient has been experiencing chest pain, which is relieved by rest and is worsened with exertion. This creates a flow that enriches the content. Here's an example of how clauses bring structure and detail to a letter. Mr. Smith has been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. Since his blood sugar levels remain uncontrolled, it is essential to monitor his diet and prescribe appropriate medication. Although he has been compliant with his medication, his sedentary lifestyle contributes to his condition. Notice how independent and dependent clauses seamlessly link ideas and provide relevant medical details. Tips for using clauses in OET letters. Finally, let's cover some essential tips for using clauses effectively. Avoid sentence fragments. Always attach dependent clauses to independent clauses. Use complex sentences for detail. Show relationships like causation or conditions with complex sentences. Maintain clarity. Avoid overloading sentences with too many clauses. Focus on relevance. Use clauses to present precise medical details that are pertinent to the letter's purpose. Practice these techniques, and you'll be one step closer to your goal. Thank you for watching.
More updates are on the way. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest updates on the syllabus and materials on OET. Stay tuned for insightful videos.